How to find out when your World of Warcraft character was created. So a good way to do this is by going to the website warcraftrealms.com/charhistory.php. I'll put a link in the description, so you just have to click it. Now on this website, all you have to do is input the attributes of your first character. So my first character was from Europe, Alonsus, so I'm just going to find that and put that in. And the region was Europe, the race was undead, and the class was mage. Then you can put the minimum level to 1 and then input the name of the character. You also have to put a capital at the beginning, so make sure you remember to do that, else it will not work. And here is my original character, and if we take a look at the first scene, it was first seen on November the 16th, and that is roughly when I created this character, almost 12 years ago. That's such a long time, and that is absolutely crazy. So that is how to find approximately when your character was created. Please leave a like and a nice friendly comment if this tutorial helped. It lets me know that I helped you guys out, and that would be great. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later.